Making progress. When you're seeing recalibrate failed, FD, that means the floppy cable's upside down. So I'm going to flip that. I tried unhooking that center SCSI drive because we're going to have conflicts between the number of devices and the boot drive. So I think that's what's going on there. So we've got the SCSI CD-ROM set at 6. I've got 0 through 5 on this. And so my guess is that hard drive was giving us errors. I'm going to go ahead and power this down. Well, let's just log in and see if I can see the... see if I can determine if the dimension board can be configured, possibly, because it is lighting up over here, which is a great sign, Bill. And I've just got this new iPhone, and I think I'm doing this upside down. I don't know what the heck's going on. I think you can orient it. I'll figure it out. I'm a little frazzled. I have done 40 NeXT computers this week. This will be 41. Eric, yours is 42. So probably everything's going to go out next week. It was kind of a rush order. Those guys were here from Germany for a few days. We got it all done, but I am exhausted, and it's Halloween today. I'm not sure why this monitor is so dim. It might just be because that light's on it. Let's see if I go to the on-screen display here. Yeah, well, I think you press that, right? And that, it says it's at 100%, but maybe it's just me. Okay, let's just do exit. So I'm going to go ahead and put a new image on here and a faster SD card, as I have some that just came in. So we're going to get the Zulu blasters rocking and rolling. So in order to configure the dimension, I just clicked the calendar icon to see if we're actually getting those symbols to come up that would allow us to configure the dimension. And that is in preferences. Scroll all the way to the end. Let's see if I can get that glare off of the... Or is that my... hold on. Why is the flashlight on this thing? I'm going to have to go into... this is the new iPhone 17, so they've changed some of the adjustments. That's interesting. We're not getting the ability to configure the dimension. I think it might be, Bill, you're maybe right, is that I didn't have the drivers. Normally they install fine, but I'm not sure why I didn't find them on this. So we're going to try a new SD, fresh image, and see how that goes. But that is lighting up over there, so that's a good sign.